This video is brought to you by Roedix. We have the R9. That's amazing. I don't know how they could even do any better than this. I thought this R8 was amazing. And then they stepped it one step better. How you like the design on that? That's cool, isn't it? This is the Roedix R9, the air duster. Versatile, long standby time, strong wind power, easy to operate, infinity variable speed. Yeah, I thought the R8 was so cool. Till they sent me this one. I don't know why they just keep getting better and better and better. This one is so cool. We'll get that camera over here closer. You got a little button here on the bottom of it. Turn it on. Then you have a slide switch on here. I mean, that thing flat blows. A lot of people buy these to dust off their computers and to clean cars with. Yeah, this takes the place of a canned air, is what this does. So this will keep you from having to buy cans of air all the time. Just keep this charged up, and this does have a little nozzle on it here that you can dust off. Just like the R8, it blows down here at the bottom, keeps your batteries and stuff cool. Amazing what they can do. Very cool. Yep, that's the R9. We'll get that camera over here closer and take a better look at this thing. Here's the R9 air duster. Very cool. Look at it real close here. It's all lit up there. There's your battery power. This is your little switch right here. Turn it off. Okay, you have a little slide switch right here. Slides. You don't have a first, second, third, fourth speed. It's just a slider. That's cool. Hit that button right there. Light your lights up right there. That's your battery monitor. Then you hit that. Thing will flat get after it. 150,000 RPM. That's amazing. 150,000 RPM. That little motor in there. This thing is very well built. I really like the design on this. Yeah. Yeah, they keep, every time they send one, I like it even better and better. I'll tell you, how they gonna top this one? I really like the R8. I thought that was cool. I got the other one right over there on the table. Got all three of them now. Got all three models here. That one. Now this is cool. It's got a built-in light on it. Got a built-in light on it. So that one's cool. This in here just flat gets after it right here. Okay, I got a tech tip for you today. A lot of people buy these to blow off their computer parts. This is a graphics processor. You do not want to spin these up when you're blowing these off. These have DC motors in it. They will make power. Them both will put power to the board, to your board right here. 5 volt, 6 volt, 8 volts, 12 volts. They will burn your board up. So keep that in mind. This is basically a brand new one. I'm building a new computer, and so there's no need to blowing this one off. I'm not even gonna attempt to. But you need to hold these down while you're blowing that off. You don't want to spin these up. Now I've done power supplies on a computer board, on a computer power supply, and never had any problem with it. But these graphic boards, you do not want to spin these motors up. They're DC motors, and they will put out a charge, and they will fry your board. So keep that in mind. The guys that buy these R8s and R9s to blow off your computer parts. So I thought that'd be your tech tip of the day. Okay, I always like the little cards they send with these. Isn't that cool? You open it up. Dear friend, thanks for your support. Best wishes to you, Tom. So shout out to Tom there at the factory. We appreciate that. That's very nice. Just something special they put in there. That's cool. I like that. Got your manual here. You got your charging cable. Yep, it's a nice little unit. So I'll put a link down below. Grab you one of them off of Amazon. I'll tell you what, you will not be disappointed with this one. They just keep getting better and better, I'm telling you. I was amazed at this one here. I'm not knocking this one, but this one here does a good job. It's got the nozzles and stuff that goes on it. I mean, you can have the pointy nozzles, you know, like narrows it down. This is the R8. Yeah, this one does a good job too, but I mean, I just really like the design on this one. It's just so cool. So go down to Amazon and grab you one of these. I think you're really gonna like it. So I appreciate the guys that send this out and let us test drive these. Test drive them, and yeah, they work very well. So when you're blowing off your computer parts, just be careful of spinning up any fans, because you might be making power that you may not want. So I will leave a link down below of all three models. So thanks for watching.